In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play a private sessions with friends here in GTA 5 Online. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to do if you are in GTA 5 Online is actually hit pause, navigate over to the online tab, and once you get in the online tab, essentially go ahead and select Leave GTA Online. This is important because you actually have to start this from the story mode. As you can see, I'm already in story mode, so I'm good to go, but whenever you are back in story mode, you're going to want to go ahead and hit start or pause again, and go ahead and bring up the online menu. What you're going to want to do now after you select online is select play GTA online. But once you do this, you'll see an option for invite only session. What this is going to do is load you back into GTA Online, but you're going to load in a private session, and whenever you are loaded in, just open up the pause menu again, navigate over to the friends tab, select whatever friend you want to invite, and just choose send game invite. And from here, they just have to accept that invite on their end, and they'll join your private session. It really is as simple as that. You're not going to be playing GTA 5 Online in a private session with friends. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.